Determine the maximum value of y is equals to 3x squared plus 5x minus 3. So we get to solve this, and we have option A, 6, option B, 0, option C, 2, and option D, no correct option. Wow. So let's divide this into 2 so that we have enough space for this question. Now we are given y to be equals to 3x squared plus 5x minus 3. So we are given that. Now, at maximum value, dy dx is equals to 0. So at the maximum value of this particular differentiation, or most cases in this application of differentiation, we have our dy dx to be equals to 0. So all we need to do is to differentiate our y with respect to x. So we have dy dx will be equals to, so I'm differentiating this. This is 2 times 3, which is 6. We have our x. Remember, this is 2 minus 1. We'll subtract 1 from this place, subtract 1 from the power. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is x raised to power 1, which is the same as x. Now plus, remember I've said this before, so 5x will be 5, because 1 here, 1 times 5 is 5. 1 minus 1, because this is x raised to power 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so x raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 5, you have 5. Differential of any constant is 0. This would have been plus 0, but there's no need indicating that. Now let's substitute our value of dy dx here. So dy dx is 0, that will be equals to 6x plus 5. So let's make a subject formula. So if we do that, we'll be having that 6x will be equals to minus 5. This is what I did. I moved this one over to this side so that I have minus 5. So divide both sides by 6. Divide here by 6. If I do that, I will be having x to be equal, because 6 divided by 6 is 1. So I have x there. X equals to minus 5 over 6. So this is the value of x at the maximum value when dy dx equals to 0. Now the next thing is for us to find the maximum values. Now we have gotten the value of x at this maximum value, so we just need to substitute this value of x into the given equation, substitute this value of x into the given equation. So if we do that, our y will be equals to, remember we have 3x, so 3 into minus 5 over 6, since our x is square, so that is square, plus our 5 into minus 5 over 6, then minus 3. So that is what we have there. So let's go ahead with this. This our y is equals to, we have our 3 into, now according to indices, when we have a set of numbers like this, we just have to use this power here to multiply by their different powers. But in this case, there is power of 1, so that will be minus 5 square. And minus 5 square is 25. All over 6 square is also 6, minus 6 times minus 6, which is 36. So that is what we have there. Then plus, now we still have this. Let me just rewrite this. We have minus 25. Okay, it's minus 25, yes. Minus 25 all over 6. Minus 25 over 6. Then minus 3. Okay, let me bring it over here. Minus 3, so that it will be visible. Let me bring it here. Minus 3. Now, you'll be surprised how I got this. Well, what I did was to multiply 5 by minus 5. So I still want to maintain that bracket so that I'll play it together. So we have, at the end of the day, our y becomes 3 times, okay, 3 can actually divide this. So 3 can divide this 36. We have 18 or 12 over there, not 18, because 3 will go into 36. that will be 12. So we still have our 25. So 25 all over 12. Now we have minus, because plus minus is minus, so minus 25 over 6. Then minus 3. Minus 3. We have minus 3. Now this is over 1, if we must indicate for the purpose of simplicity. Now this is these are a set of fractions, so I'm going to take LCM now. 12, 6, 1. The LCM will be 12. I'm sure you're familiar with fraction. LCM will be 12. So 12 will go into 12 is 1. 1 times 25, 25. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 25 is 50. Now 1 we go into 12 is 12. 12 times minus 3, that is minus 36. So our y will be equals to, so minus 25 minus 50 will give us minus 25. Minus 25 minus 36 will give us minus 61 all over 12. Minus 61 over 12. And this is our answer. So if you check through the options, you find out that there is none of the option that matches this answer, which is the correct answer. So when you solve a question like this and you are sure of what you have solved, check through. Most time this exam body just want to check if you know what you're doing. So don't feel maybe since the answer is not there and you just say, okay, let me just choose any answer. No, as long as you have solved and you know that what you have solved is correct, you go to the option. Thank God, even this in this one we have option D, which says no correct option, which is the correct answer to this. So whether there is no correct option attached to it or not, once you have solved and you can't find an option that is the correct option, you can leave it vacant. You don't need to click that, or you don't need to select that option or any other option except that option, or you leave it like that.